Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do knotless braid. Doing knotless braid is not as easy as it looks, so without much talking, let's just get into it. Had already started braiding the hair. You just do a regular braid. I'm also still trying to experiment to see what works best for me, just trying different techniques with a knotless braid because it's not as easy as it looks, as I've said earlier. So I'll just do regular braid, maybe 1 or 2 times, and then I'll start braiding down. One thing I've noticed is that with knotless braid, you don't hold it too tight. I don't mean you shouldn't grip the root. You grip the root, but I mean the extension itself, you don't hold it too tight. If not, the knotless braid won't come out good. It won't come out as it should. When doing knotless braids, the quantity of the extension you are adding also has its own importance. You don't add too much extension at the base so that it doesn't look bulky. So now here is another close-up look. I'll braid 2 times. Actually, it doesn't even matter. You can just braid 1 time before adding your extension. As you can see, I'm not adding too much extension because the hair there is not thick. I'm adding a little quantity at a time. And when I get to the top of her head, I mean the middle of her head, I'll add more extension because there her hair is thicker than the back hair, if you understand what I'm trying to explain here. Adding the curly extension is also easy. You just braid it in as if you are braiding your normal extension, and then you take it out, and it's easier to pick out because of course the curly extension is curly. It's different from the normal expression you are using. Making hair is repetitive, so I'll just continue doing what I've been doing till I finish our whole hair, and then I'll come back to explain more things to you. If you're a visual learner, you actually get what I'm doing here, especially if you already know how to braid. Doing knotless braid will be easier for you. So I'll come back later to explain more things to you if needed. When I was done with the hair, I started detangling the curly hair because we used a synthetic curly hair, and we didn't dip this hair in hot water at all. I didn't want to straighten the curly hair, so we decided not to dip the hair in hot water. So when I was done detangling the hair, I will apply mousse. I saturated our hair with mousse so as to make the curls pop more, and so as to make the hair last before she'll start treating and caring for the hair herself. After applying the mousse to her hair, I went in line by line to make sure that I'm not missing even a strand of hair. And after doing that, I went in with my blow dryer. I set it on cold, not even on warm. You don't want to straighten your curly hair. So I went in with my blow dryer to dry her hair, and that was it, guys. I hope you've learned one or two things, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.